How's that mac and cheese, honey? Delicious? BB. Is it good? Do you like it? Sure looks like it. Ruby, if you like it, give me a little head tilt. Yeah. Good job, Bunny. I'm so glad you like it. If you're just gonna tilt your head no matter what, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Is it real good? You like it?